This is a collection of pics taken on the install of Newport Wiper's CCT for the Chevy AD trucks. I removed the right instrument cluster and the radio delete panel to allow access for my hands. My truck has got the cowl vent levers removed, so there's additional access. Most of the pics are of just after the fact. I didn't take any as I was starting. Some of the pics are through the right instrument hole, where you can see how it's sitting on top of the dash brace, and you can see where the on-off switch is located. The remainder are from the underneath side, where I laid on my back to do the majority of the installation. You can see where the arms are connected, and you can see what the mounting bracket looks like with the screws going through it. I hope this makes somebody's life a little bit easier. Thank you.